Let me quickly show you how to fix buffering or loading issue in Deezer. If you're playing a music or listening up to some podcast and it starts buffering inside of Deezer's, let me show you a few steps that you can take. Now, first of all, why this may happen is if your internet connection is slow. So, first thing to check is if your internet connection is working properly or not. To do that, you can simply open up any other application and check if that works or not. If that does work, then it is the issue with the Deezer's app only. Now, to fix this on the app, what you can do is try to clear the cache and data for the Deezer's app. So tap and hold the app of Deezer's and head over to app info. If you're using an iOS, you need to head over to the iPhone settings and offload your Deezer's app. From this section, tap on clear data and tap on clear cache. Caches are the unwanted data which may have been downloaded and have been piled up on your device. What you can also do is tap on clear data and tap on OK. This way you're going to get logged out of your account, so you'll need to log in back. So once you do this step, you'll be able to solve the buffering or loading issue inside of Deezer. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.